Good morning, everybody. It's a new day, qualifying day for the PBA Northwest Caveman Open. I think that's what it's called. I really don't know. We're going to the BBD for breakfast. And no, it's not Big Black. It's the Black Bear Diner. Okay, maybe no BBD. It's a 30-minute wait, and we're kind of hungry. So we're gonna try Denny's across the street. Yo, I haven't been to a Denny's in I don't know how long. But for all you old heads watching this video, who remembers when Denny's sponsored the PBA Tour? Just to get free breakfast all the time here. I mean, I wasn't a member, of course, but whenever I was with a PBA member, they had these like little coupons for free breakfast. What's up? Well, I gotta say, I think I would have much preferred Black Bear Diner, but they got the job done, didn't have to wait, got seated. Plus 2 people complimented me on my hair. I don't know if they were serious or genuine, but it's nice. All right, we got qualifying day 1. Like I said earlier, I don't know if I said it yesterday, but these pairs are terrible. So we belong 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4 games 1 and 2. They hook an obscene amount in the front part of the lane. So if we can escape with a decent score, I think we'll be okay for the rest of the day. I think what I got from yesterday's practice session is they get tighter as we go down that way. Just keep that in mind. So I'm expecting a big change in where we're playing on the lanes, maybe equipment after game 2. Just gonna have to wait and see. Well, we got super lucky, had 220 the first game. They hooked so much in the front part of the lane and it's forced me so far left early. But I'm not really sure what to do. I'm throwing the booyah pool right now. Scraped 220, I had a couple of Brooklyns, a trip 4, and a late slap 10. I'll parlay that hopefully. One more game on a not so nice pair, and then hopefully we're home free on the nicer pairs. Thought I was gonna escape with a decent score on 3 and 4. Hit 199, didn't hurt too bad, but a 2.810 in the 9th. Had 3 splits on that lane actually. Not the lane I thought I was gonna perform poorly on. So now we're about 20 over. It's not great right now, but we're not gonna have to deal with these stupid early pairs anymore. So hopefully we can get some score moving forward. Alright, game 3. Finally got into a pair that wasn't as early. Made the wrong move, took me a little too long to figure out what I needed to do, but we got there, grinded out, 2-teen. We gotta put some big ones up soon. I think this number is gonna be pretty high. Although there's a couple of people whacking them, but overall it doesn't look like a ton of people are crushing it. Either way, we gotta stay in our own lane and just keep plugging away. Well, we're not doing so hot. I think we're about 10 over now. Just shot 170, saved a 170. I started the game 710, 710, light 810, 49. So I really only missed the pocket once. A 3-bagger at the end for 170. I'm like 60 out of the number. They're not very hard. A couple of guys shot 800 the first 3, so I think I'm starting to figure out that all of my pins are too long. My balls aren't revving up soon enough, and I think that's why I can't get my balls at the pins. Oh, I lied, I'm like 70 out. It is what it is though. We got a lot of game left, only halfway there.
I swear every time I film you, you don't bowl very well.
I just bowled my highest game, 229. It's not good when the scoring pace is 230 plus. But I didn't get lined up on the left lane until the 4th shot, so all things considered, it's a pretty good game. Maybe we just need to get lined up a little quicker and we can start putting up some big ones. I don't really have a choice at this point. It's mandatory to put up big ones every game from here on out. But we got 3 more games. Well, another new high game. Shot 240 with the front 6. I thought I was blowing at least 270 on that pair. Had a couple of good shots at flat 10. Moved into the Zen ball. The highest flaring ball in my bag. So I figured that's what I needed. Wasn't sure if the ball was strong enough itself, but it was all right. So hopefully we'll make some good shots here. Get 500 on the back and hope that's enough. All right, we're finally lined up. Popped off 250, at about 140 over. I think that might be plenty to make it, but guys at the top got a lot of score, so we're gonna have to keep going. Hopefully one more big one in the block, and we'll be bowling tomorrow. We got our 200 over for the back half, and we should be in soft. Hopefully not too far off of first. A couple guys are getting to 300 over. Somebody might get close to 4, but we're not too far off. Zen ball. I think this is my favorite ball right now. Saved my ass so many times. You look bored.
Yeah, I'm not bored.
Yeah, you're bored. It's okay. You can admit it. Thanks for the filming.
Yeah.
Like a trooper. Well, that block was as about down and up as possible, but we made it in by a mile. No idea how far back from the lead we are, but we have a chance. We got 12 games of match play. We'll be all right. I'm gonna chase that guy. Gotta have that sweet, soft touch like the bro god, the bald assassin, the Ginger Ninja. All right, guys, we'll catch you tomorrow for 12 games of match play.